today this is our third day and it feels so good. It's very fun. It's very nice. I love it. Enjoy. To be honest, right now I'm actually enjoying it. I am feeling body pain and all. I feel very tired, but I'm actually enjoying the military training or the sports thing. Such a fun journey here. We are doing farming, we are washing our own dishes, and we are getting fed 3 meals a day, and all those meals are really good, really nice quality. We are having a lot of fun. I'd like to talk about a special activity we did today that was called the Monvat. So everybody was supposed to stay silent for like 3 hours completely, and my duty today was to serve food, and I had so much fun. Started doing it, and I feel like this place has fixed me. It has fixed my sleep schedule. It has fixed my food. It has fixed a lot. I feel like after I go away from here, I will miss this place as well as follow a few things that this place has given me, like the schedule and having food on time.
My experience in LTC has been very good. We have to prevent screens as much as possible to make most of our lives, so we can enjoy in the nature and train ourselves and be fitter and smarter every day. Thank you.
I feel more focused on anything that I'm doing. Even the movie nights when we are watching movies, I am getting more indulged into it. There are lesser distractions, and day by day, when we are following this schedule, this timetable, it's getting more easier and easier to do. So, yeah, in and all, my experience is very good here, and I think I'm transforming mentally as well as physically. Thank you.
The experience is good. The exercises, the obstacle training, sports, especially the desi sports which we had to play, and it's interesting that we are gaining our physical strength back, gaining our morning schedule back, and good food, good schedule, good exercises. So in and all, the experience is very good.
First day started, and with a really good schedule, with really good food, with the 5 pillars that we're learning about, it's really helped us understand that these things can really help us. And also coming here, working hard, waking up in the morning, doing all these things, I've really understood that we can push ourselves and we can go further and further.
मेरे को जो नेचर से एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है, फार्मिंग से एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है, सॉइल से एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है. आई कैन टच द अर्थ विदाउट touching my mobile. I can see the view without touching my mobile and taking pictures of it. So it's kind of relaxing and I really like it. I am learning too much here.
LTC पूरा अपने को रियलाइजमेंट दिलाया कि कैसे बिना टेक्नोलॉजी के बिना भी तुम रह सकते हो. ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग टेक्नोलॉजी अपने को हाथ पे फ़ोन डिवाइस कुछ चाहिए, नहीं, ये सब कुछ नहीं चाहिए. हम लोग बिना फ़ोन के भी बहुत कुछ है. ये LTC मेरे को सिखाया, ये पक्का लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म अपना किया.
It will definitely impact because there have been many activities which have been conducted by the program, and we have experienced a lot of productivity in our lives, and it's a definitely fun experience. And especially the staff, we thought it is going to be a hectic thing because we'll totally have to be in surveillance with the staff, but the staff has been amazing to serve us, and it's overall been an amazing experience. Especially the associate director, he's been really kind. He's been coming to each and every one and talking to them as if they know them personally. It's been a great experience. Thank you.
A very, very good experience. There was a lot to learn, and there's a lot to know about the farming culture and the farmers that live in India. I think I had a great time with you all.
So right now we are out in the agriculture and we just finished weeding with our suckers, and we had lots of fun. And I have been having so much fun with all my friends at LTC, from like waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning, going out jogging, and competing in the obstacle courses, and doing yoga. Yoga is so relaxing, it's so fun, and I always fall asleep at the end. Having such good food as well, and being out in nature and being with your friends without mobile phones, it is so much fun, and I have been enjoying a lot. Starting from the agriculture activities to like team building activities, working with strangers, working with other department students, it is an opportunity that everybody should get, I feel. When I came to know that we won't be having phone for 5 days, we'll be living so far from the city areas, and it'll be so calm. I was so excited to come here, and not lying, the first day was difficult. It felt like, oh, it is a long day, but after that, yesterday and today, which is our second and third day, it felt like we all have been doing this from long time.
Guys, come over here. It is really fun. You will enjoy. And thank you so much, MIT, I see everyone's perspective is changing in a very positive way. And my mindset was that I just want to enjoy this. I want to have the best experience of my life. One thing that I would suggest everyone is that life can transform in literally 5 days if you follow the rules, if you, follow the whole schedule that they have made for you.
The experience is really great here as we are connected to the nature here, no gadgets, nothing. It's like very peaceful over here from night sleeping to early morning waking up. And the group is really good here. The environment is very good here from farming to team building activities, getting to learn a lot. The experience is really good here.
All the activities have been so nice, team building, bonding with new people. It's been a really unique experience. Everyone's very nice around here.
धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ कराज सर का, जिन्होंने एलटीसी को बनाया और जिन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया यहाँ आने का। धन्यवाद।
फिटनेस के ऊपर भी थोड़ा ध्यान जाता है, क्योंकि जब मोबाइल होता है तब फिटनेस इतना कुछ होता नहीं है, पर जितने जब स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं, कॉम्पिटिशन जितने होते हैं, हर एक कॉम्पिटिशन के लिए पॉइंट्स और वगैरह ये सब होते हैं। इट इज़ वेरी एक्साइटिंग और अभी एलटीसी छोड़ने का मन नहीं करता है, बट यस इट इज़ एंजॉयबल।
Just enjoying the small moments like the weather, the ambience, everything is so nice, and faculty members here are so kind. Everybody helped us, they pushed us through uh, difficult things, and I'm very glad that I came here, and I'm very glad that MIT gave us this opportunity to be.
I learned a lot, and I would really recommend everyone that has a chance to come here and enjoy with your sport, with your friends. It's an amazing experience, and thank you to MIT for giving us this opportunity.
इसका जो नाम लिखा है वो एकदम सही नाम लिखा है, लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सेंटर। अगर कोई इंसान आएगा और इधर 2 3 4 दिन भी लगा के जाएगा ना, जैसे हमने 4 दिन लगाए सर, लिटरली लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म होने की ये एक पावर रखता है लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। एलटीसी जो सेंटर बनाया है एमआईटी ने, हमने सब किया। हम सुबह 5 बजे उठे, एक्सरसाइज करी, खो खो खेला। हमने खो खो कभी नहीं खेला था जिंदगी में, हमने एग्रीकल्चर कभी नहीं देखा था जिंदगी में, हमने फार्मिंग करी, हमने फार्मर्स के बारे में सीखा, फार्मिंग कैसे होती है, हमने कार्ड्स के बारे में सीखा, गाय वगैरह देखी, बहुत सारे उन पानी को वो बोलते हैं पॉन्ड टाइप का जो फार्मर्स की यूज होते हैं, वो सब देखा, जो चीज़ हमने कभी एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं करी थी शायद। और अगर हम शायद अगर नहीं आते तो हम कभी करते भी नहीं। मेरा यही मानना है कि एलटीसी एक बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आए हैं कराट सर।
ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस वाज टू गुड। मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया। लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सेंटर इज लाइक completely like you are transforming people over here.
Thank you, MIT, for giving us this platform. My life has changed because when I came here at 19, I was thinking, how could I survive 4 days here? Because we cannot live without phone, but LTC taught us to live without phone, how to survive without phone. So now I'm pretty sure if I've been in a struggle or in a situation like that, I can live without my phone. And also the yoga instructor settled the routine so well that we enjoyed doing yoga as well. Followed by the obstacles, the army instructors were really nice. They were really supportive. They were motivating us. The squad leaders, they taught us teamwork, how to build a good team.
बहुत मजा आया। It was really fun. It was a really very nice experience. Thank you.
थोड़ा स्टार्टिंग में फर्स्ट डे लगता है, बट आफ्टर ऑल अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस। फिर हम एग्रीकल्चर लेके जाते हैं, उधर हमको सिखाते हैं खाना आता किधर से है, कैसे वो पूरा प्रोसेस है, कैसे उसका हार्वेस्टिंग है, कैसे उसका वीडिंग है। अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस। स्पोर्ट्स में ऑब्स्टिकल्स ट्रेनिंग, फिर एरोबिक्स, एक्सरसाइज, सुबह मैराथन, ये सब बेस्ट है। थैंक यू।
5 pillars are the main for the LTC, which is physical fitness, agriculture, patriotism, and spiritual, yoga and all, and team building and leadership. ये जो 5 pillars हैं, अगर LTC में मैं ना आती तो ये 5 pillars के बारे में मैं कभी deeply सोचती ही ना। So LTC has been a very much benefit for us.
We enjoyed a lot over here. We got the new experience over here. We have done yoga. We done different kinds of obstacle activities, sports, different, which we don't do in our daily lives. We have got the detox of mobiles. We used to stay away from it.
After waking up very timely basis पे in the morning and getting up and doing yoga after the heavy intense workout and running we do with the military obstacles, it was just very life changing for me to just understand.
Phones लेने के बाद it felt so good to be free of all the internet and the digitally बहुत independent feel हो रहा है। यहाँ पे जो भी activities है, like सुबह सुबह all the warm up, the aerobics, exercises, yoga और farming जो agriculture में करते हैं, it was all so good and so much fun. मुझे सीखने के लिए बहुत कुछ मिला है and I hope to come here again. Thank you.
Everything is good, from sports to physical, from yoga, spirituality, team building activities are way too good than we think. Basically, we need to handle the ball from the nip of from the back side of the pen, and it's amazing, guys. Thank you.
5 बजे के बाद हमारा पीटी टाइम होता है, स्पोर्ट्स के बाद हमारा योगा के बाद ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद टीम बिल्डिंग या फिर एग्रीकल्चर, वहाँ से आने के बाद लंच। पूरा डे जो हमारा था बिल्कुल फुलफिल था और हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ हमने नया सीखा।
इट वॉज रियली फन एक्चुअली। यहाँ बहुत लाइक फ्रेश एटमॉस्फेयर में रह के पूरा डिटॉक्स हो गया, पूरा बॉडी का, माइंड का, हर चीज़ का इनफैक्ट एक्चुअली।
Through my personal experience, I've been very happy, and I had no interest even to ask for my phone back, and I'm not even joking or being sarcastic over here. This is my personal experience. The routine, the discipline that we were able to create because of the rules set over here in this beautiful LTC campus.
So my experience at LTC was really nice. I really did appreciate the digital detox.
It was so much fun. We learned so much about teamwork. We played so much and we got to bond with our classmates as well. And I think we made so many memories that we definitely won't forget.
I really bonded with my team a lot. So yeah, in general, I just had a lot of fun. I really recommend it.
It was very fun. मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि फ़ोन के बिना लाइफ में बहुत कुछ होता है करने के लिए, टाइम भी नहीं था फ़ोन यूज़ करने का। अगर फ़ोन होता भी तो आई डोंट थिंक मैं फ़ोन यूज़ कर पाती।